All right, so I put out a call on Twitter yesterday asking people for video ideas. So we're going to run through them and let's get some responses.
I'm chewing on
it. Okay, so first one is from Melissa Guida Richards, and she wants to know what makes an agent willing to ask for a revise and resubmit. I mistakenly answered this one because I didn't realize she was responding to my tweet. So why don't you start?
Why don't you start with what you answered?
All right, so I said this could be a litany of different things. It could be certain aspects that just don't work for them. It could be a significant amount of revisions we want to see if they know how to do. It could be really anything. And then I said, I now realize this was in response to my video question. And I gave her a face palm emoji.
I don't do a lot of revise and resubmits. I know a lot of agents do. I just don't. I think the reason they're done is that there's something about the project that really pulled at the agent.
But there's a significant hindrance that's not letting you jump.
Right. And it could be anything from the world building's not strong enough, the characters, the plot.
Yeah. It's unique to every project. I think it's kind of hard to pin down a general answer, but every project is different. And yeah. But I think I agree with you where I'd rather just, if I love something that much, I'd rather just go for it.
Yeah, and I think for things like world building as an example, that authors can either do it or they can't. So to take on a project that needs help with world building is tricky because you don't know if the author is really capable of fixing that.
Right.
So that would be an example of a revise and resubmit to make sure that the author can take that on before you commit
So
further.
in some ways it's a trial run, a test to see if you...
Definitely.
Okay, that was quicker than I thought.
Yeah. Hey, Buford says subscribe to this YouTube channel. Also check out BookEnds on Twitter, Instagram, and our blog. See you there.